Happy birthday daw. Sabi na aking ako. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayun. Ano po, gumawa ka ng ah, ano yung mga picture mo, aking basta send ko na sa yung video. Panoorin mo na lang yung ginawa kong video para sa'yo. Kasi it's your birthday, it's your special day, so, more birthday to come. God bless you, always stay safe and stay always healthy. Yun lang. Bye-bye na kami. Bye-bye. Love you, sis.